How y'all doing today? Before we dive into today's updates, I need to address something important with you all. I owe you an apology. I promised you daily videos and I didn't deliver on that promise. I asked you to hold me accountable, but I got behind due to some technical difficulties and human error on my part. But the truth is, I didn't have the proper processes and systems in place to handle such a schedule. So I value this channel and each one of my subscribers. So I had to take a step back and get some guidance, So I brought on a mentor and he showed me that quality over quantity was the best way for me to go. So the plan moving forward, I'm switching back to one video a week so that I can stay consistent with my content and my promises to you all. So let's get to the updates. I got 6 weeks to go until my first cruise and I'm working on my wardrobe. So I figured out a strategy and I'm excited about it. So I'm going full maxi dress, jumpsuit, and romper mode. This is why this is so genius. It's light packing, less space than separate tops and bottoms, and most of them is wrinkle free. So no need for me to be ironing. That's all about that. I don't have to really plan to nothing because it's a complete outfit. You just grab and go. It's gonna make getting ready so much easier, especially because I'm living out of a suitcase. So next, I'm working on health preparation. So I'm wrapping up all my medical appointments before I set sail, and I'm being really thorough with this because the last thing I want is to have some health issues when I'm out to sea. So I'm working on my basic checkup, scheduling routine blood work, all the standard women health appointments, and my dental work, that's pretty much done. Everything from this point on with my teeth is pretty much cosmetic, so I'm checking that off as complete. But is there something extra that I'm going to be adding? Do you all know what a dry blood test is? This isn't your typical blood draw. This test, it detects things like your vitamin levels, essential minerals, hormone levels, thyroid markers, and also check for oxidative stresses, inflammation in the body, heavy metal exposures, and also it can check for chronic diseases and metabolic issues and so forth. So I'm figuring if I'm gonna be away from my regular healthcare system, I need to know exactly where my health stands. So I'm working on a complete checkup, thorough physical. So now this is where I'm gonna need your help. My travel gear. I'm struggling. I'm looking for the perfect backpack for all of my electronics. So, I'm the laptop cruiser, and so my tech setup is crucial to everything that I do. I need something that is safe to carry my laptop and my equipment, portable chargers, cables, tablet, all those things, accessories that keep piling up. I'm looking for something that's TSA friendly for easy airport security, well padded and protective for my laptop and so forth, organized with compartments so I'm not digging around for cables, and comfortable for walking up and down that long pier. But nothing screaming like, hey, I got expensive electronics in here, none of that. But I've been searching online and it's so many options that I'm basically getting overwhelmed. So have any of you found a tech backpack that you absolutely love? And what features made it a game changer for you? Drop your comments and your recommendations in the comments below. I really need your help on this one. And also with travel insurance. Now I heard some people say they use the insurance on their credit cards. That's not an option for me at this time. However, I want something, I don't need nothing major because being that I'm like getting on and off the ship regularly, I don't need a long-term coverage plan, I don't believe. But I do need something that covers like medical emergencies, trip interruptions, and I'm just really looking for something. If someone do have something that goes yearly that I can like cover me on all the trips, or some kind of umbrella policy, that would be great. So what companies did you use? What coverage did you find most essential that someone like me might not think of initially? I'd love to hear about your experiences, both good and bad, in the comments. So this is where we stand right now. I'm doing one video a week at the time, building towards this incredible adventure 6 weeks ago. And between finalizing my health prep, hunting for the perfect backpack, and navigating the travel insurance maze, there's definitely no shortage of content to share with you. And I'm committed to showing you, showing up consistently with my weekly updates, with quality content, honest updates about the good and the bad. So I need your help with some of these decisions, your recommendations on tech backpacks, travel insurance, and budget reality checks that can save me from making expensive mistakes. The comment section is going to be my best resource for crowdsourced wisdom, so don't hold back. And what other aspects of cruise preparation are you curious about? What challenges do you think I haven't considered yet? Your questions and insight helps shape what I cover in the future videos, and also it helps me on my journey. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll see you next week with another update. It'll probably be Wednesdays that I drop the updates. So until then, sail towards your dreams.